Welcome to our size calculation tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to calculate the size for your middle drawer front found in a bank of drawers. Shown here in our tutorial is a full overlay kitchen. This is what a partial overlay kitchen will look like. Before we get started, you will need tape measure, pencil, and a sketch of your kitchen cabinets. It is also helpful to understand a few cabinet terms. Overlay is the amount of cabinet face frame that is covered by the door or drawer front. Your door overlay and the hinge overlay will match. This video discusses a 1/2 inch overlay, commonly referred to as a partial overlay. Reveal is the space or gap between doors and drawer fronts. A stile is a vertical piece used in the frame of a cabinet. A rail is the horizontal piece used in the frame of a cabinet. A shared rail is when two fronts, such as two drawer fronts, cover the same rail. Now, let's jot down some measurements for this scenario. With your tape measure, you will measure the width and the height of your opening. Then, measure the widths of the stiles and rails. Make note of all these measurements. Now, let's calculate the width you will need for this drawer front. Your formula is opening width plus left overlay plus right overlay. In this example, that is 21 inches plus 0.5 inches plus 0.5 inches. Now, let's calculate the height. Your formula is opening height plus top overlay plus bottom overlay. In this example, that is 10 inches plus 0.5 inches plus 0.5 inches. Please note, in order for this height calculation to work, your shared rail height needs to be at least 1 1/8 inch. You will order one drawer front that is 22 inches wide by 11 inches high.